Damn. Damn, you see this? The work truck, fell on somebody's apartment over there. What is on that? Damn. Damn, get all the police is here. Sorry. That's fucked up. That is really fucked up that it fell on somebody's house. Look at all the firefighters here. All the firefighters and the ambulance is here. Tow truck. There's the captain right there coming. Tow truck. Wow. But everybody's okay, right? Everybody's okay. Yeah, it'll be okay. It'll be on YouTube. It's right here. And you got a 52nd precinct, right? 52nd precinct? 49th precinct. Okay. All right. Catch all of this.